Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. At first, Krishna is Satchit Ananda Vigraha. He is form, transcendental form, eternal form, full of knowledge, full of bliss. Similarly, we are also, although particle, the same quality. That Buddhists say, Najai. This problem, these rascal civilizations, they cannot understand. That I am eternal. I am put into this condition of birth and death. No rascal understands. So-called philosophers, scientists, all of them, therefore rascals, fools. Reject them. Reject them immediately. They are working hard, the same. Nunam pramatta kurute vikarma. Just like madman works. What is the value of madman's work? It is busy whole day and night. I am very busy. So what you are, sir? You are a madman. Your brain is cracked, crazy. So what is the value of your work? This is going on. So Krishna consciousness, you just imagine how important movement it is. It is the best welfare activities for the human society. They are all fools and rascals, and they have no knowledge, ignorant of their constitutional position, and they are unnecessarily working hard day and night. Therefore they have been said, Murha. Murha means ass. The ass works day and night for the worser man, for little grass. And grass is available everywhere, but he thinks that if I do not work for the worser man very hard, I will not get this grass. This is called ass. Therefore, when one becomes intelligent after cultivating knowledge, one becomes intelligent by and by. First of all, brahmachari. Then, if one cannot remain a brahmachari, all right, take a wife, grihastha, then give up, vanaprastha, then take sannyas. This is process. Then the mudha, they will work day and night for sense gratification. Therefore, at a certain period of life, that stupidity should be given up and taken sannyas. No, finished. That is sannyas. Now this portion of life should be completely for Krishna's service. That is real sannyas. Anasita karma phalam, karjam karma karoti. It is my duty to serve Krishna. I am eternal servant of karjam. Must I do. Must I serve Krishna. That is my position. That is sannyas. Anasita karma phalam, karjam karma karoti. The kurmis, they are expecting some good result for sense gratification. That is kurmi. And sannyasi means they are also working very hard, but not for sense gratification, for the satisfaction of Krishna. That is sannyas. This is sannyas and kurmi. Kurmi also works very hard, harder and harder, but all for this amisabadha seva. Amisabadha seva. Vivaya only for sex life, eating meat and intoxication. And a devotee works in the same way, hard, but for Krishna's satisfaction. This is the difference. And if you one life before, like this, no more sense gratification, simply for Krishna, then you come to this position, no more death, no more birth. Because your position is Na jayate na. That is your actual position. But because you are in ignorance, paramattha, you have become mad, you have become crazy. Therefore, you are taken to this process of sense gratification. Therefore, you are entangled in a material body, and the body is changing. That is called birth and death.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare